Hi, my name is Caleb, and welcome to Finleycraft. In this corner of my channel, we're going to dive into the automotive world. I've owned and worked on many different types of vehicles over the years. So join me as we build, repair, and have some adventures on the road and in nature. I hope to earn your subscription, and please like and leave a comment.
Okay, let's talk about brakes, specifically front brakes in this video. So first off, I had to take off all the wheels, and again, because I've had surgery on my shoulder recently, it was planned. I had to kind of be creative with how I cut wheels off and did things on my own. And do them short stance or have other folks help me. So my son actually helped me get all the brakes or the front brakes installed. I've yet to do the rear brakes. And so when fortunately I bought a set of car rollers, it actually made it really easy to get the wheels off, as you can see here, with the jack underneath it, and then just rolled the wheels right out. And I had a set of jack stands. Shell Valley does powder coat their frame, so I highly recommend getting a pair of or a set of those little rubber stops that go on the top of your jack stand, so you don't scuff up your nice powder coat. One of my sets of jack stands fit those just fine. The other set did not, so I just made some out of some old gym mat that I had lying around, and that works. It seems to be working pretty well for me. So this kit, it comes with the Mustang 2 11-inch brake kit. I didn't opt for the wheel wood right now. I may do that down the road, but for now, just to kind of keep some of the costs down, I wanted to just go with this one. And yeah, like I said, I may upgrade down the road, but for now, I'm hoping this will be okay. Time will tell when I get it out on the road if I feel like it's not braking very well. I don't plan to do any racing, autocross, anything. So for right now, it's not a huge concern, but safety is paramount. Again, that's why I have 2 roll bars on this guy. The rear end, I believe, is also Mustang brakes. It might be GM based on the parking brake kit that I was seeing. I haven't dug too much into that and pulled all the parts out and put them in yet, so I'll find out about that one. So Shell Valley does provide all the brake lines and fuel lines needed for this kit, pre-formed, by the way. So I didn't have to do a ton. I did buy tools to do this, and I ended up using the flare on a couple different pieces with the fuel system, which I'll go over in the next video. But there wasn't a whole lot to do with this one. I kind of made some adjustments with the brake lines, but as you can see here, everything was kind of already set and ready to go. So the main thing I needed to do was get them in place, get the clips on for where they transition to the soft lines, and then also I riv nut the frame where the little mounting clips for the brake and the fuel lines went, so that way in case I needed to remove it or do any maintenance, anything like that, it was just simpler than a rivet and having to drill those out. So for those eagle-eyed viewers, you may see some other components already installed in various clips. I'm trying to be kind of systematic about how I release the videos and be very subject matter. So as I kind of go forward, I think one of the next ones we'll talk about the fuel system, which shouldn't take too long because it's a pretty straightforward system. But I've already got that in, and some of the other components already in, but I wanted to kind of break these down for folks who may be doing the same kit or something similar here, so they can see what's in this show valley and also progress along with me. Thanks again for watching. I hope I've earned your subscription, and like and let me know what your thoughts are on this build, or if you have any comments on this one.